There are two kinds of people in the world. Those who have seen the Taj Mahal and love it, and those who have not seen the Taj Mahal and still love it. I would like people to watch the Taj Mahal and fall in love with it. A true quote by Bill Clinton, the former president of the USA. Hey friends, I'm Sonia Handa, the founder and the trip designer of Joyful Holidays. Today I'm here to share with you 5 different ways to see the Taj Mahal. So let's get started. Taj Mahal is a living edifice of human passion which neither history dares to bury in its grave nor does time dare to forget. It's not a piece of architecture but the proud passion of an emperor's love wrought in living stones, an epitome of love, a teardrop that glistens spotlessly bright on the cheek of time forever and ever. A wonder of wonders in the world. All of you would agree that no visit to India is complete without seeing the Taj Mahal. A grief-stricken emperor built this monument of love in the mid-17th century for his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal, which means chosen one of the palace. It took whopping 22 years and an army of 20,000 workers and 1,000 elephants for the greatest artwork which the forming spirit of mankind has ever brought forth. Taj Mahal has many faces. It is pinkish in the morning, milky white in the evening, and golden when the moon shines. Not surprisingly, experiencing the beauty of the Taj Mahal in person is often a dream for many. They say, if two people go together to visit the Taj Mahal, that means they will always be together. Are you ready for that? To make it one of yours too, here are our top 5 ways to see the Taj Mahal. But before that, we have some quick facts and here they are. The acoustics inside the main dome soars to 240 feet can cause the single note of a flute to echo 5 times. In 1648, Shah Jahan moved the capital of the Mughal Empire to Delhi. Despite his devotion to Mumtaz Mahal, he likely did not visit the Taj Mahal again and only saw it from his prison to Agra Fort after his son Aurangzeb usurped the throne. The Taj Mahal is located in the city of Agra in the state of Uttar Pradesh, India. Along with Delhi and Jaipur, Agra creates India's Golden Triangle, a popular tourist route. It's a 4-hour drive from Delhi and 5 to Jaipur. One of the 7 wonders of the world, the Taj Mahal is visited by approximately 7-8 million people every year. It was built in 1631 by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his favorite wife who sadly died during childbirth. The monument is open year-round from Saturday through Thursday and closed to the public every Friday. However, you can still enjoy a fantastic view of the Taj Mahal on a Friday from Mehtab Bagh or Agra Fort. Number 1. Taj Mahal at sunrise. Certain things catch your eyes but pursue only those that captures the heart. Sunrise is by far the best time to visit the Taj Mahal, not just because in early morning light you appreciate the marble and the dome is changing its color from pinks and yellows to a soft golden color, but you also beat the crowds since it's the quietest time of the day. If you get in early enough, you might even get some perfect pictures with no one in them. As it gets quite hot in summers, it's also perfect as you can enjoy the cool morning breeze. But during winter early mornings, particularly months of December and January, it can be foggy. It's recommended visiting the Taj Mahal at another time of day and including an optional return to the Taj Mahal at sunrise the following day, weather permitting. For all other months of the year, we recommend visiting the Taj Mahal at both sunrise and sunset to appreciate further its spectrum of hues throughout the changing light of the day, which brings us on to. This is something we will always help you in designing your itinerary on your individual requirements. Number 2. Taj Mahal at sunset. Love is not only a feeling to enjoy but a promise to keep forever. It is said that Emperor Shah Jahan made the sun and the moon shed tears from their eyes, and it's easy to see why. Witness a completely different atmosphere from your sunrise visit as pink light reflects off the white marble. Sunset is a spectacular time to visit the Taj Mahal as crowds of visiting tourists tend to dissipate so that the mausoleum can be enjoyed in more peaceful surroundings. It's also a fantastic time of the day for photography as the marble seems to glow a warm rose hue. Number 3. Taj Mahal at moonlight. Majestic, emblematic, stately, impressive, unique, immense, radiant. Observing this epitome of love in full moonlight is one of the rare opportunities, though it looks breathtakingly magical as pearly white structures shine. Beautiful green gardens bordered by reddish-hued alleys under glimmering dark sky during full moonlight highlight constant changes in tones and nuances that the monument reflects. This resplendent beauty is an eye treat to the viewers, which is possible only for 5 nights a month, the night for the full moon and the 2 prior and after. The Taj Mahal is open to visitors for a special booked in advance nighttime viewing. This takes place for 4 hours from 8:30 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. with each visitor being allocated a 30-minute slot. Nights in the winter months of December and January, it can be smoggy. You probably won't be able to see much. Number 4. Taj Mahal from Mehtab Bagh. No words needed to tell about this beauty. Mehtab Bagh is a peaceful, lush charbagh garden complex right behind the Taj Mahal, offering a sublime view. This gorgeous historic pleasure garden is a great way to see the Taj Mahal without all the crowds. The garden actually predates Taj Mahal, was originally built by Emperor Babur as the last in a series of 11 parks on the river Yamuna's east bank. 100 years later, it was identified by Emperor Shah Jahan as the best place to view the Taj Mahal. Mehtab Bagh is open every day too, whereas the Taj Mahal is closed on Fridays. So if you find yourself leaving Agra on a Friday morning but would like to catch the Taj Mahal at sunrise, Mehtab Bagh is the place to do it. Number 5. Taj Mahal from Agra Fort. A love poem is written in marble. Red Fort is considered to have some of the most poignant views of the Taj Mahal. Legend has it that Emperor Shah Jahan, who commissioned the Taj Mahal, wanted to build a black marble mausoleum for himself. Some believe that he even began the construction of the tomb, but it was left incomplete after he was imprisoned by his own son Aurangzeb. Shah Jahan spent his last years gazing down at the Taj Mahal from a window in Agra Fort. After his death in 1666, Shah Jahan was buried with his beloved wife Mumtaz instead of in his own mausoleum. We recommend visiting Agra Fort before you visit the Taj Mahal. That way, it makes the fort's view all the more special as you catch your first glimpse of the Taj. If I had never done anything else in India, I would have written my name here, and the letters would have been a living joy. Truly said by Lord Curzon, British Governor General. Hey friends, I hope you enjoyed listening about the Taj Mahal. I will connect with you soon on my YouTube channel with more stories.